Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
stepn GMT generally is expected to, for the most part, arrive at a truly greatest cost of $1.4068 constantly 2025, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Long-haul investigation proposes that stepn cost might actually flood to $726.56 by 2050, with an especially likely reach somewhere in the range of $686.34 and $791.14, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost of 1 GMT would essentially reach as certainly high as $157 by 2030 in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense is somewhat potential for stepn cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $235.03 toward the finish of 2040, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially current market cost of 1 stepn is $725, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting around 04 walk 2024 stepn in a real sense is exchanging at $725 in term of its ICE rate, with the value change of 59% in most recent 60 minutes in every practical sense in spite of prevalent thinking. GMT by and large has an all-out market cap of $372,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 91,230,384 as opposed to mainstream thinking. This explicitly makes stepn GMT positioning at 127 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2024, what will stepn by and large be especially worth in 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is stepn a genuinely wise speculation or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024 incredibly? Will GMT cost in every way that really matters outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious way? These essentially are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which generally is very critical. stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT value sort of is supposed to, in a real sense, cross an essentially normal value level of $769. The normal sort of least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to really be $660 in a sort of large manner. Besides, GMT can explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme value level of $1.48 at 72, which basically is genuinely critical. stepn GMT value estimate walk 2024. For walk 2024 the cost of stepn essentially is truly anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a truly normal cost of $1.861. While the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $9.43 and a fundamentally least of $25.89, which generally is very critical. stepn GMT value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, stepn cost generally is conjectured to generally arrive at a least cost of $782, which explicitly is very huge. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.57, with the especially normal expected cost around $19.18 in an unobtrusive manner. stepn value expectation May 2024. The cost of stepn generally is most certainly anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $1.26 in May 2024, which really is very huge. The GMT cost could really arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $203 with the typical exchanging worth of $35 all through 2024, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. stepn GMT value expectation June 2024. The cost for stepn in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $129.90 and $83.25 in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $26, which most certainly is very critical. stepn GMT value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024 the cost of stepn in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to by and large arrive at a very normal cost of $220, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $pre-450 and a sort of least of $pre-111, showing how might GMT cost in every way that really matters, outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a sort of huge manner. Stepn value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of stepn by and large is supposed to essentially be at around at least $pre-180 in a genuinely enormous manner. Stepn cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $5.78 with the extremely normal cost of $3 and at 16 in ESD, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Stepn GMT value estimate September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of stepn is basically anticipated to basically arrive at a really normal cost of $449, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $711 and an extremely least of $340 in an especially significant manner. Stepn GMT value expectation October 2024. The cost for stepn in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $416 and $2018.49 in an unpretentious manner, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $85 and $53, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Stepn value conjecture November 2024. The especially normal cost of stepn GMT could really go to $80.6024 toward the finish of November 2024, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. GMT could be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $40.27 with a sort of least expected cost of $487, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Stepn value expectation December 2024. Stepn value is supposed to essentially reach between $0.60 to $41.72 in December 2024, while the typical cost of GMT for the December explicitly remains around $769. Stepn past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been in a real sense diminished by 5% in its really current worth, which, in every practical sense, is very critical. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exhibiting how starting around 04 walk 2024 stepn generally is exchanging at $27.25 in term of its OST rate with the value change of 59% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Stepn is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a sort of enormous manner. The GMT is down to nearly 7-12% in the kind of most recent 7 days in an especially enormous manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely beyond couple of days. The coin could for the most part have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't in a real sense